Hello students, so this is the final part of the topic drug inspector included in the syllabus of BPharm 5th semester pharmaceutical jurisprudence. So as I have already discussed what is a drug inspector and what are the qualifications of a drug inspector. So in this part I will discuss the duties of a drug inspector. So first was duties of inspector of premises licensed for sale. So for retail sale or wholesale, what are the duties for inspection of retail sale and wholesale? What are the uh, duties of a drug inspector is described below. First one is to inspect not less than once a year all the establishment for sale. So drug inspector need to visit every retail shop or every manufacturer or distributor once a year. Next, to satisfy himself that the condition of licenses are being observed. The drug inspector need to visit the sale premises, the retail store or the wholesaler store for once a year, and to inspect whether the conditions are fulfilled as required as required by the act. The next is to procure and send the drug for test or analysis if he has the reason to suspect that the drug is sold or stocked in contravention with the provision of the acts or rules to. So when drug inspector visit a retail store or a wholesaler store or a distributor, if he or she found that a drug is not properly stored as required by the provision of the Drugs and Cosmetics Act, he may collect the samples of that particular drug and send it to the laboratory present in the state, and the government analyst will perform the test of that particular sample, and he will give the report to the drug inspector, and according to the report drug inspector may take action against that retailer or wholesaler. The next is to investigate complaint in writing. If someone complain about some malfunctioning or some misbranding or some other kind of work that is in contravention to the provision of the act, the drug inspector will investigate investigate the premises and produce a report in writing and submit it to the concerning drug controller authority of India. The next is to maintain a record of inspection. So drug inspector need to maintain a record where he has inspect and how at what time he has inspect and what is the date. The next is to make necessary inquiries. He has the authority to ask the retailer or the wholesaler about any issue related to selling and distribution of drug. And then next is to institute prosecution in respect to breaches of acts and rule. So if we found any person guilty of breaking the law, then he has the power to power to close the selling or distribution premises. The next is when authorized by the state government to detain imported packages which he has reason to believe certain drugs contain the drugs for which the import is prohibited. The drug inspector may be sent to any port or railway station or any airport for inspecting any material or any materials that drugs cosmetics coming from outside that is abroad, and if he found any drug that uh, that fails to comply with the Drugs and Cosmetics Act, then he has the right to seize the drug. The next duty is duties of inspector specially authorized to inspect manufacturing of drugs or cosmetics. So, basically these are the duties for drug inspector. who will inspect the manufacturing premises or manufacturing facilities. First one is to inspect not less than once a year all premises licensed for manufacture of drugs or cosmetics. For example, a drug inspector is manufacturing premises present in his area. He will have the authority to check, monitor, and visit the manufacturing premises once a year or as he wishes. Next, to satisfy himself that the condition of the license are fulfilled, and he will go to the premises and he will say whether the premises fulfill the required guidelines provided by the Act. The next point is to inspect plant process of manufacture and standardization, storage, technical qualification, and other details for Schedule C, C1 drugs. For example, for if any manufacturer are producing Schedule C and C1 drugs, then the inspector will go and check whether all the necessary requirements are fulfilled by the manufacturer or not. And the fourth point is to send detailed inspection report to the controlling authority. So after inspection is done, the inspector need to prepare his report, inspection report, and he need to send it to the concerning drug control authority of India. The next is fifth point, to samples for test or analysis in accordance with the law. The next point is 6. The inspector, except for official business or when required by the law, shall not disclose any information acquired by him if he has sufficient reason to believe that the violation of provision of Drugs and Cosmetics Act is taking place. He or she may seize record or ask the manufacturer not to sell the drugs for a period of 20 days. So if he found some malfunctioning is going on in the manufacturing unit, so he has the authority to seize the manufacturing record and all other details, and he can stop the sale and distribution of drugs for a period of 20 days in his for in market. So these are the duties of a drug inspector. So in this three part of this videos, I have discussed briefly about the drug inspector. What is a drug inspector? What is his duties? What are the qualifications of a drug inspector? Thank you.